Okay, my dogs are barking for some whole reason right now, and I'm going to I know the reason why is because I'm pressing sound effects on my computer right now. But let's just see what happens when I press one. Yeah, let's try bark. See what happens. All right, then let's try barn door close. All right, nothing on that. Barn door open. Oh, yes! Barking at me. Let's try a bell tower. No? Alright then. Let's do basketball net swish. No. Anything, Hammy? Anything? Because that's kind of sounding like it. Fail. Alright, well, I'm glad you guys enjoyed that. See you later.